Hello everyone, I am back with update number 1, my Roth IRA using a necessary investment savings challenge optional bundle set. First, I would like to point out that this savings challenge comes with simply easy instructions for both laminated and without laminated. Our laminated and non-laminated books are available in our shop as well by clicking the link in our bio or comment section. First, I will write out my savings goal, which happens to be $1,000. It doesn't matter what your goal is. My advice to all my budget angels is to go with what you feel is more comfortable for your budget. Next, I will write out an estimate of when I will completely reach my goal. I feel that it can be done within less than a year. Then I will calculate my savings goal and divide it by the total number of 198 coins. For example, 1,000 divided by 198 equals $5.05. Then I will write out how much I will be budgeting for each coin. Lastly, I will color in on how much I've already contributed towards my account. Click the link in my description box below to get started on yours today. And that is simply it, you guys. Stay tuned with more updates.